Hello everyone, this is the lecture series of operation research subject, and in this series this is lecture number 24, and this is unit number 3rd, and code for the subject is ME405, and today I will discuss about the topic regarding graphical theory or game theory method. And in the game theory method, today I will solve the question related to the graphical method. For my introduction, myself Rahul Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, Suresh Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. And game theory. Here is game theory is related to the different types of participants, like 2 or more 2 into 2 participant. Our game is related to the 2 into more m into 2 or n into 2 strategies. So here I will solve this problem into 3 kinds of relation. First one is game theory related to the 2 into 2 means 2 competitors in your company, and if in your game only 1 competitor. So these are the objectives of this lecture, and by the end of this session you should be able to understand about the graphical method and how this graphical method is used in different types of game theory related problem. And generally, if I am calling about the graphical method is a linear programming is used to solve problem by finding the highest or lowest point of the intersection between the objective function line and the feasible region on a graph. So we can use graphical method to solve linear optimization problem. Means this is a very simple problem, and this is very simple method, and this is used for the solving a linear programming problem graphically. And a simple method is to put the coordinates of the origin, and the point is 0, 0 in the problem, and determine whether the objective function is exist or not. Means this type of problem is where is applicable where the saddle point is not given in your question. So this type of problem is related to the optimize the resources or optimize the cost or different kinds of variables related to this problem. So we can move here. This is some introduction about the game with mixed strategy. If game with normal strategy is suppose 2 into 2 and the saddle point is exist, so in this situation no extra efforts are used for the problem. If saddle point is not clear and some disturbance are created in the problem, then in this case these 3 types of methods are used. But in previous lecture I have already solved the problem related to analytical method and the simplex method also, and today I will discuss about the graphical method. And this is the graphical method, like this 2 into 2 and m into 2 and 2 into n games here. So for this graphical method, here the problem is related to the mixed strategic problem. Suppose for the mixed strategic problem, in this problem no pure strategy or solution is exist for the game, and in other words saddle point does not exist in your problem, and both players may adopt an optimal blend of strategies called the mixed strategy. To find the to find the saddle point of different types of problem. And here three methods are used. One is analytical, graphical, and simplex. The optimal mix for each player may be determined by the assigning each strategy or probability for it being chosen. Thus, then, these mixed strategies are probabilistic combination of available better strategies of these games, hence called the probabilistic games. And the probabilistic mixed strategies game without saddle point are commonly solved by any one of the following methods. So here today I am discussing about only graphical method. Graphical method, here the three kinds of strategies are available here. First is 2 into 2 strategy, second is M into 2 model, and the 2 into N game model. So we will solve here different kinds of strategies by this method. And this is the procedure of 2 into N games. This is the procedure of 2 into N or N into 2 game method. So in this graphical method, the graphical method discussed in the previous section is feasible when the value of N is small, because the large value of N will yield a larger number of 2 into 2 subgames, larger number of the 2 into 2 subgames. And in this section we discussed graphical method, graphical method for solving 2 into N games. So this method can only be used in games with no saddle point and having a payoff matrix of type N into 2 or a 2 into N matrix. So here consider a one payoff matrix, and this is for the player A, and here strategies are for the player A1. These are the different strategies, and here is A1 just like A2, and A3 is here. And this is for the player B. This is strategies is B1, B2, and -2, 4, 8, 3, and 9, 0. These are the one example about the graphical method. And then the games does not have a saddle point as shown in the following figure. If game have not a saddle point, for the find the position of the saddle point, first we need to check the minimum of this column and maximum in this column and minimum in the row is here. So here is the if I am consider first row, in this first row what the minimum element is here in -2 and 4. What is the minimum element? So -2 is the minimum element for this case. And in this second row, this is for the A2 row. In this row, the minimum element 3. 3 is the minimum element. And in the A3 row, here is 9, 0. So the minimum element is here, 0 is here. And similarly, for the case of maximum element in the column, so we consider here column first. So this column first is here, maximum element in this column. So maximum element in this column is 9, and the maximum element in this second column here is 4. So the probability for this case here is P1, P2, and in this case row probability here Q1, Q2, Q3. And this is the, so we find the maximum and minimax value. Maximum and minimax value. For finding the maximum and minimax value, here is a maximum value. Maximum value is 4, and here is minimax value is 3. So in both cases, maximum and minimax value both are not equal. If both are equal, then saddle point exists in this problem. The saddle point exists in this problem. If both are not equal, so saddle point does not exist in this problem, and this problem related to the mixed strategic problem. This problem related to mixed strategies problem, and we solve this problem by this method. So for solving this problem by a graphical method in the Gray-May strategy, these are the sub-related problem. First we draw two parallel lines. For this case, first we will draw the two parallel lines. First we draw the two parallel lines. These parallel lines are strategy B1 and the strategy B2. These for the strategy B1 and strategy B2, and then move to the next step here and draw a scale in both lines. Suppose this is the, here is any negative value is present, then a scale is goes to the negative side. If only positive value is present, so scale is goes on the positive side only. So in this case, here is values is -2, 4, 8, 3 and 9, 0. So for this case, we draw this here. Values is here. This is the strategy B1 and strategy B2 is here. Both the two strategies. In the both two strategies, just we find the value of. First we consider -2, 4. -2, 4. This is the line of this line. -2, 4 is here. So for this case, we draw here -2, 4 line. Right? This is for the strategy A1, and for the strategy A2 line. For strategy A2 line, here is 8, 3. Number is here. For B1, number is 8, and for B2, number is 3. So we can draw a second line. This is for the strategy A2 line, and this is a strategy A2 line, and for the strategy 3, for the strategy 3 means AC strategy. Here A3 strategy is 9, 0, and this is a 9, 0 strategy. So for this case, we have draw one third line. This is a third line, and this is called the strategy A3 line. This is called the strategy A3 line, and then the problem is graphed. Problem is graphed in this following figure, and we find the feasible region of this problem. So suppose inside this region, right? This is the feasible region. This is shows by this hatched line, and this is the upper portion of the feasible region. And this V is the cutting point. This is the one optimal point, and this is also one optimal point, and here is also one point. These are the some optimal point of this case. 1, 2, 3. But this is a good optimal point for this case. Right? So the lowest point V is a in the shaded region, indicates the value of the game. But why I am not taking this? This is a very higher limit. So here is this is lower limit, and this is the not covered by this feasible region, right? So I am taking only this point V. Here I am taking only this point V is here. So for this case, V case, we choose the lowest point V in the shaded region. The lowest point V in the shaded region indicates the value of game. Indicates the value of game from above figure, and above figure means in this figure. Value of game. This shows the value of game is here. For this value of game, and the value of game is here 3.5. 4 units. Means suppose here is this point is in between 3 and 4. This point in between 3 and 4 is here. So the value of game is here 3 in between 3 and 4 also, right? So for this the point of optimal. So for this optimal point, and that is the maximum point, occurs at the intersection of two lines. And for this point here is E1 equal to minus 2P1 plus 4P2, and E2 is equal to 8P1 plus 3P2. And comparing the above two equations, and we will get here minus 2P1 plus 4P2 equal to 8P1 plus 3P2, and 2P1 and 4. So this is the minus 2 and 4, and this is 8 and 3, right? 8 and 3. So substituting the value of, because P1, one more equation here, P1 plus P2 equal to 1. For this case, P1 plus P2 equal to 1, because P1 and P2 shows the probability. So the maximum probability is here 100% for any case. So here is a 100% case. So substituting the value of P2 equal to minus 1 minus P1. So find the value of P1. P1 is here 1 by 11, and the P2 is here 10 by 11. Just to find the value of P1 is here, P1 equal to 1 by 11 and P2 equal to 10 by 11. And by putting this P1 value in this any one equation, right, you can get a P2 equal to 10 by 11 value. And substituting the values of P1 and P2 in equation E1. E1 or E2, you can put any equation. This depend on your choice, right? This depend on your choice. And find the value of game here. V equal to minus 2 1 by 11 plus 4 10 by 11, and equal to minus 3 by 4 unit. This is equal to minus equal to 3.4 unit, and this 3.4 unit shows the value of game. This shows the value of game is here. So in this 2 into n type of problem, the value of game is here 3.4, right? So we take a another example. This is the case of m into 2 game. M into 2 game. Suppose here m is the different type of quantity and 2 is fixed. This is 2. And the previous case here is, just you see, if I am considering a matrix, then matrix order is m into n is here. So this is the 2 into n matrix, right? So this is first question. Similarly, move to the problem, and this problem related to the solve the following game graphically and find the value of the game, just like B1, B2, B3, B4, and even A2 also. So here is 2 columns are presented, 4 column and 2 rows, and this matrix is set to M into 2 column matrix. So for the solution, the key in this game has no settle point. We shall reduce the size of the matrix. So matrix of the game can be help of graphical method. So here is a matrix order is here. M into 2 matrix order. Matrix order is M into 2 here. So for this case, so first you find the maximize and minimize function of this here. So here is maximize is here minimum function is here -1, and in this case here is minimum is 2. So for this case here is -1, here is 2, and this is 2 comma 4, means 2 and 4. Here is maximum is 4, 3, 3 and 3. So this is the minimum function is here. Here is 3, and here is maximum is here 2, and this is not equal to the, both are not equal. So for this case, if both are not equal, so here is saddle point is not exist. So the this game has no saddle point, and we shall reduce the size of matrix with the help of graphical method. So for this graphical method, if here we are taking two examples and two probabilities like P1 and P2 are two probabilities with which player A uses his pure strategies, then P1 plus P2 equal to 1, and P1 comma P2 greater and less than greater equal 0 for this case, right? And P1 and P2 always greater than 0 in this case. And the summation of those two probabilities, this is equal to 0 here, right? And then in this problem, this is the expected payoff to player A for the different pure strategies of player B is given by, so the B's pure strategies just like the B1 where the full column are presented. So in this case B1, B2, B3 and B4 strategies. So A's expected payoff is here. So EP1 equal to 2P1 plus 4P2 equal to 2P1 plus 4, 1 minus P, and this is this value comes from the P1 plus P2 equal to 1, then P2 equal to 1 minus P1 is here. So in this case equal to minus 2P1 plus 4, and similarly in the case of second E2P1 is equal to 2P1 plus 3, 1 minus P1 is equal to minus P1 plus 3, and in this third case B3 strategies E3P1 plus 3P1 plus 2, 1 minus P1 plus P1 plus 2, and for this third case, fourth case minus 1, 6. So here is minus P1 plus 6, 1 minus P1 is equal to minus 7 P1 plus 6. So the four payoff of these are E1, E2, E3 and E4 is here. E1, E2, E3 and E4 are plotted in the usual manner by joining points on a scale, and A, so this scale A shown in figure like this, right? So in this figure, so these are the two strategies. This is the A1 strategy, this is the A2 strategy. This is for the P1 line, this is P3 line, this is P2 line, and this is another P3, and this is P4 line. So these are the different lines are drawn. Just you find the first line is here. First line is a 2, 4. So here is the 2, 4. This is the 2 in the A1, and 4 is this is the evil line, right? This is the evil line, and then move to the next line is here 2, 3. So what is the 2, 3? And this is point 2, and this is point 3. This is a 2, 3 line, and the next line is here 3, 2. What is the 3, 2? This is the 3, and again this will be at the point this here. 2 is here, right? And then minus 1, 6. So here is negative value here. This is the minus 1, and this is 6. Minus 1, 6 is here. So for this case, we have considered the different types of strategies for the saddle point. The point 8 is the intersection of line determined by x plus 2 and minus 7x1 plus 6, and the common values is 5 by 2 for x1 is equal to 1 by 2, and the optimal strategy for player A is therefore A1 half and A2 half. So for this line, x1 plus 2 and minus 7x1 plus 6 correspond to third and fourth column of the given matrix. The associated matrix for the 2 into 2 subgame is A1 A2 B3 B4 3 comma 2 3 2 and minus 1 comma 6. So the optimal strategy for player B by the shortcut method is B1 0 B2 0 and B3 by 7 by 8 B4 by 1 by 8, and this is the H point gives the value of the. So this is the optimal case for this question, and then move to the next problem, and this is the graphical solution for M into 2 game, and this is the M into 2 game problem. And in this problem in M into 2 game, and solve a particular case of the game of order M into 2, a game of order 4 into 2 is here. So, and this can be solved by the graphical method. So this is your third problem in this lecture. First you check saddle point it exists or not. So for this case, here is minimum is 1, here minimum 0, here 0, here minus 2, and here is maximum is 2, and here maximum is 3. So for this case, just you see here. So here is a minimum value 1, here is 0, here is also 0, here is minus 2, here is 2, 1, 0, minus 2. So maximum value is here, 2 is here, and here is 3 maximum value. So in this maximum value, minimum is here 2, and this is equal to the, this is the maximum value is here 1, and this is not equal to the original solution. This is not equal to the original solution. So means both minimax value is not equal to the maximum value. So for this problem, just you, this problem is related to the mixed strategic problem, because here is saddle point is not equal to the this is minimax value is not equal to the maximum value. So the saddle point is not exist here. If saddle point is not exist here, the player B would resort to mixed strategy. Let player B place a strategy with probability Q, and hence the strategy B2 with the probability is 1 I minus Q is here. So now the expected payoff. Now the expected payoff for player B for any pure strategy of player A, that is for any one of the pure strategies just like the A1, A2, A3 and A4 of the player A would be given by. So these are these different kinds of strategies problem, and this is drawn by this graphical method, right? And for this A strategy, and this is the expected payoff for B is here. This is the A expected strategy and payoff for the B is here. So here is A1, A2, A3 and A4, 4 strategies, and this is equation for the A1. So for the even equation, just put 2 P1, or here is 2Q minus 1 minus Q is here, right? Suppose the 2 strategy are Q plus Q1 like this, Q1 plus Q2 equal to 100%, and then Q2 equal to 1 minus Q1 is here, but here only Q and 1 minus Q is mentioned here. So 1 minus Q. For the second case 1 comma 0. So here is 1 into Q plus 0, 1 minus Q equal to Q. and the E3q equal to 0 into q plus 3 1 minus q is equal to 3 minus 3q. So for the E4 q equal to minus 2q plus 2 1 minus q equal to minus 4q plus 2 is here. So we plot the graph of the equation E1q, E2q and E3q and E4q against q here. So as in the case of game of order 2 into 4, as in the case of order 2 into 4, we draw two vertical lines called B and B2 at the unit distance and draw the graphs of E1, E2, E3 and E4 against Q as has been drawn in the case of E1P, E2P, etc. and against P is here. So for this case, here is B strategy, then the question is converted into A1, A2 and A3, 2, 0 and 1, 3. Yeah. A1 and A3 here, 2, 1 and 0, 3 is here. So thus we have reduced the size of the matrix. So the value of the game is here just for the B strategy. So here is A1, A2, 2, 3 and thus we have reduced the size of the game from 4 to 2. So 2 into 2 and the game could now be solved by the shortcut method, and the next strategies for player A and B are given by, and these are SN. The next strategies for player B and A are given by, this is a SB A equal to SB B1 B2 1 by 2 1 by 2 and SA equal A1 A2 A3 A4. This is a 3 by 4 0 1 by 4 0. So for this case, the value of game is here B equal to 0 into 2 by 4 into 3 into 2 by 4. This is the 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 value. So the value of the game is here 1.5 for this case, right? So let's move to the next problem. And this is the method to solve the different kinds of strategies. This is the EOP. 3 by 2 point is here and just a different types of lines, right? And then move to the different types of problems. Here the graphical method is useful for the game. When the payoff matrix is the size of 2 into n or m into 2, that is the game with mixed strategies that has only two undominated pure strategies. For one of the players in 2 persons, zero sum game. This is the case of the zero sum game. For this example, here this is the player 1. In this case, this is the player 1 and this is the player B is here. So A1, A2 gives a probabilities of P1 and P2 for this case. So here B probability is B1, B2, B3, which is the different. So for the consider of the saddle point, here the minimax value is -2. Here is 2 is present. Here 4, 3, 3, 6. So the minimax element here is 2, and here the maximum element is 6. So this is both are maximum and minimax value both are not equal for this case. If both are not equal, then this problem related to the mixed problem, right? And in this case, saddle point does not exist in this case. So B pure is just given by B1, B2, B3, and b4, and the expected payoff is here 2p1 plus 4p2. For the b2 is here 2p1 plus 3p2, and b3 is here 3p1 plus 2p2, and b4 is here 2p1 plus 6p2. So these are the different kinds of strategies, and this can be solved by the example. So here this is the different these are the different type of graph of the player A. There are two parallel lines apart from each other, and the mark a scale on the east, and these two represent the two strategies of the player A, and this is the graph is here, and these three expected payoff lines are plotted on the graph to solve the game. Is here. So this is the line of -2, 6. -2, this line before strategy, and this is the reference line, and here is this 3, 2 line. This is the 3, 2 line, right? And then 2, 4. 2, 4. This is the first B1 strategy line, and 2, 3. Right there. This is the strategy B2 is here. So different lines are drawn for the different strategies, and here we will find the value of game also for this case. So from the above graph, given payoff matrix is reduced to 2 into 2 matrix, and it can be solved by using arithmetic matrix. So here is player A and player B, and these are the A1 and A2. These are the strategies are here, B3 and B4, and for in this case the value is all minimax and maximum and minimum value is for this case here, like this, and these are the value of game is here 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2 into 5 by 9 equals 22 by 9. So the optimum strategy of A is 4 by 9, 5 by 9, and B is 0, 0, 0, 8, and 9, 8 by 9, and 1 by 9, and the value of game is here 22 by 9 for this case, right? So this is the solution of this game is here, game related problem, right? And these are the another one example. Just you solve this. Here saddle point is also not exist here. So for this case, draw these lines. Firstly 1 and 8. This is the first line. Second line is 3, 6. 3, 6. This is the second line. And then 12, 2. This is the 12 and this is the 2. Here in no negative point exists. So reference line is here. This is the x equal 0, 0 is here. So we have taken here lower envelope, right? In this lower envelope, the point is here. This is the P is the maximum point for this case. So if this is the maximum point, so find the value of the game is here. B equal to 66 divided by 13. This is the value of the game is here. And then move to the next problem. And this is another example, right? So for this case, 4, -1. This is the 4 and -1 line. Then -1 and 4. This is the -1 and 4 line. And then 0 and 2. This is 0 and 2 line, right? So this is a line for strategy A1, and this is a line strategy A2 is here. So these are the different kinds of questions, and you will find the different types of relations in this SA equal to 3 by 7 and 4 by 7, and SA equal to 2 by 7, 0, 5 by 7, and value of game is here 8 by 7 is here. So we move to the next portion of this problem of this lecture is here MCQ problem related to the graphical method or linear programming topic. Okay, before going to the MCQ problem, these are some limitations related to the game theory and the assumption that the players have the knowledge about their own payoff and the payoff of the others is rather unrealistic, and he can only make a guess of his own and his rival's strategies. And as the number of the maximum and min-max show that the gaming strategy becomes increasingly complex and difficult. And in this practice, there are many firms in an oligopoly situation, and the game theory cannot be very helpful in such situation. And in this third case, the assumptions and of maximum and minimax show that the player are risk averse and have complete knowledge of the strategies, and these do not seem practical, and rather than each player in an oligopoly situation working under uncertain conditions, and the players will allow each other to share the secrets of the business in order to work out a collision, and thus a mixed strategy are also not very useful for this nature. So these are the limitations regarding this chapter. So the MCQ problem. So for this MCQ problem, this is the first MCQ problem related to the graphical theory method. In graphical representation, the bounded region is known as a region, just like this is a solution, basic solution, feasible solution or optimal solution. So the correct answer for this question is the bounded region inside this problem. This is called the feasible region. So the solution exists inside this feasible region is called the feasible solution for this problem. Then this is the correct answer of this problem is here. And then move to the another problem. Here the graphical optimal value of Z can be obtained from the, here 4 options is given. Corner point of feasible region, both A and C. Corner point of the solution region, none of the above. So here A is right. A is the right answer. This is the corner point of the feasible region. Then move to the next problem. And this is the degeneracy occurs when basic variables are positive, but some of the non-basic variables have negative values, and the basic matrix is singular, it has no inverse, and some of the basic variables have 0 values, and some of the basic variables have non-basic variables have 0 values, right? And these are some other cases. So here C is the right answer. Some of the basic variables have 0 values. And then move to the next question. And in graphical method, the restriction on numbers of constraints is 2, number of more than, and 3, and none of the above. So the correct answer is here none of the above. This is the correct final answer of this question. And then move to the next problem. This is problem number 5. For this problem number 5, minimize Z is equal to, what is the value of, here 4 option is given. First in maximize Z and minimize Z, maximize minus Z, and none of the above. So the correct answer, C is the correct answer. So it maximizes the Z also. And the feasible solution satisfies the only constraints, only non-negative restrictions, A and B both, A, B and optimal solution. So the C is the right answer, A and B both case, right? And next problem is here 7. In this question number 7, the D-generate solution value of objective function increases infinitely and basic variable are non-zero, decreases infinitely, one of or more basic variables are zero. So the correct answer is here D. D is the correct answer. One or more basic variables are zero for this case. And then move to the question number 8. Which statement characterizes standard form of a linear programming problem? This is first A. This is the constraints are given by inequalities of any type, and constraints are given by a set of linear equations. Constraints are given by only by inequalities of greater than or equal to type. And for the D option, constraints are given by inequalities of less than and equal to type. So the correct answer is here A. A is the correct answer. And 9. What is the objective function of linear programming problems? The main objective function is 4 option is given: a constraint for available resources. For B option, an objective for research and development of a company, a linear function in an optimization problem, a set of non-negative conditions, right? So the C is the correct answer for this question. And then move to question number 10. This is the last question of this lecture. And if the optimal solution is degenerate, then there is a alternative optimal solution, there is a solution is infeasible, and the solution is used to the decision maker and none of these. So the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer of this problem. And these are the references I taken for this lecture here. And just to go through, if you more information regarding this lecture, just you type this and find the correct, find the good information regarding this. And thank you for this lecture, and thank you for your listening me. Thank you, all of you.